Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raffi Fiansa. I'm from class 12 practice 1. Here I will explain the vision and mission of SMK Taruna Bakti. Vision of SMK Taruna Bakti: production graduates who are competent in science and technology and tech and able to compete and at the national and global levels. Mission of SMK Taruna Bakti: fostering a spirit of creative synergy and competitiveness to all school members, implementing the curriculum to competency-based learning and assessment, entrepreneurial based and environmentally friendly and based on honesty, improve the quality of human resource to certification on national and international level competence, developing the potential of students through interest and challenge activities and disciplinary with and implementing excellent service in school management through the quality management system. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.